Hi everyone, my name is Roz Allen and I did my project on social media privacy and the risks. So why is this important? People really worry about their privacy and the use of their information that is collected and shared on non-secure sites. Personal information can be used to ruin one's reputation even when it's in the wrong hands. Social media has a hold on many of us, and it is a tool that has a control over us, and sometimes you don't even realize how much control it has over you. So its current use and background, social media is now at an all-time high according to Pew Research. In 2017, 81% of Americans in the United States are using some kind of social media platform. And by the years after, doing all these research, it has grown in an increasingly amount, but as we move forward, I'm going to be talking about the future use and what can we do to prevent not such a high percentage. So social networks and media connection is one of the fastest growing industries in the world right in front of our eyes. In 2018, 78% of just 18 to 24-year-olds use Snapchat, and 71% of these visit this platform multiple times a day. And this again is according to Pew Research Center, and this is in 2018. And like I said, it does increase, and this is just between the ages of, currently us in college. I use Snapchat on a daily basis, sometimes for a long period of time, and that is not okay. So what are the security concerns? One of the growing concerns is identity theft. Most people post their personal information on these sites and don't seem to realize the potential risks, or simply don't care that their life is like an open book. And by that, I mean, some people have their social media accounts, not on private, so it's open for the public, so anyone can see it and anyone can see what they're doing, who their friends are, what they're posting, what they're eating. So that is a big security concern. Social media and the security of an individual may be at risk due to involvement of social media. And this is by an article, and it's by Same in 2015. This is even back in 2015. You need a security site that helps you protect all your devices, and this is by Norton. And I think Norton is a very, very good website that can help you protect your sites. It can also, Norton also, after doing a lot of research and working with Norton, they have password complexities too, which is great. So ethical and social implications. With social implication, it shows us how social media will impact everyone's life, whether it is negative or positive. They have to know when to stop and when to ask questions. These risks can have a strong impact not only on you, but also your family. Ethically, the unsuitable use of social media can lead to ethical violations. This may be logging into your friends or family members' account without letting them know, or posting personal information about anyone that hasn't given you consent. So what are some future use? We have help, research, and privacy. So help. Social media can be a way to help others, and although it has its risks, it can also become more helpful if we know how to save ourselves from complications. Do some research. Future research needs to take a critical look at the differences on the micro level of everyday user practices between various users and user groups. Also, last but not least, keep your data and all your information private. Always keep your personal information private. So what are my final thoughts on this? It has come to that realization that when you are on social media, privacy is no longer a personal choice. Essentially, social media has become its own culture and the way of life for everyone. We have to be aware of privacy, Have an open mind and keep your eyes open for privacy risks, but have fun. So I hope this doesn't scare you, but always have fun because social media is where connections always begin. All right, this is the end of my presentation. I hope you guys had a good feel on what my project was. Thank you so much for listening.